Brittany McCurdy here from Hensel's Agency in Caloundra. Welcome to Unit 13 of 17 Canberra Terrace in Kings Beach, located in Aurora Pacific. Head on in. So this unit offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 car. Nice small complex of only 14 units in the building, located on the top floor. So it offers magnificent ocean views out the balcony. So you've got a separate dining area, large kitchen. So a beautiful northeasterly aspect. Large balcony, plenty of room for 6-seater table. Large lounge room, got an air conditioner, ceiling fans throughout, plenty of cupboard space in your kitchen. So the unit offers separate spaces, so you've got all your living, dining one end, your main bedroom to the right, which features your own ensuite, double wardrobes, air conditioning and a ceiling fan. So down the hallway you've got plenty of built-in wardrobes down the right-hand side. So bedroom 2 and 3 is located at the rear of the unit, offering hinterland and passage views, both with built-ins and ceiling fans. Tinted windows throughout also. Cute little balcony off the back. Separate toilet, laundry facilities and your large bathroom, which features a corner soaking bathtub. Immaculate condition. This unit would suit a downsizer, retiree couple, reasonable body corporates and ready to go now.